Welcome back to Share Knowledge TV, the place where curiosity meets mind-blowing reality. Today's episode comes with a warning. Once you hear these facts, you can't unhear them. We live in a world overflowing with information. Every swipe, scroll, and notification floods our brains with more than we can actually process. So today, let's slow down, clear the clutter, and dive into 25 jaw-dropping, unbelievable facts that will make you look at life a little differently. Ready? Let's begin. Fact 1. Mordor exists, just not on Earth. While Tolkien imagined Mordor for Middle-earth, the name is real, and it's not here. Astronomers discovered a dark, blood-red region on one of Pluto's moons, called Charon. It looks exactly like the Land of Doom described in the books. And yes, scientists officially named it Mordor. Fact 2. The moon is running away from us. Every year, the moon drifts about 1.5 inches farther from Earth, about the same speed your fingernails grow. Billions of years ago, the moon was so close it looked massive in the sky. Someday, eclipses won't work the same way because the moon will be too far to perfectly cover the sun. Fact 3. Some people can't imagine anything. Most people can visualize a familiar face or picture a beach in their minds. But 2 to 4% of humans have aphantasia, meaning they literally cannot form mental images. For them, thinking is purely verbal or conceptual, not visual. Imagine not being able to picture your own mother's face unless it is physically in front of you. Fact 4. Your feet can taste garlic. This one sounds fake until you try it. If you rub garlic on the bottom of your feet, within minutes you'll taste it in your mouth. Garlic molecules pass through your skin, enter your bloodstream, and travel to your nose and mouth. Science is wild. Fact 5. Ladybugs are cannibals. Cute? Yes. Innocent? Not even close. When food runs low, adult ladybugs eat their own larvae, and even other adult ladybugs. Nature isn't Disney. It's survival. Fact 6. Some people have no inner voice. Not everyone has a constant stream of thoughts in their head. People without an internal monologue experience silence unless they intentionally generate words or ideas. Their minds are quiet, peaceful, almost like meditation 24/7. Fact 7. Dogs versus love. Dogs win. A large U.S. survey found that 54% of dog owners would end a relationship if their dog didn't like their partner. And honestly, we get it. Fact 8. The moon has moonquakes, and we cause some. Sensors left during the Apollo missions detected 5 types of moonquakes, including one caused by the leftover lunar lander expanding and contracting with temperature changes. That means humanity literally shook the moon. Fact 9. The Pledge of Allegiance began as a marketing strategy. The famous American pledge wasn't an ancient tradition. It was created in the 1890s as part of a magazine promotion. It became iconic over time, but it started as a PR stunt. Fact 10. You lose 30% of your taste while flying. Ever wondered why airplane food tastes bland? Dry cabin air plus low pressure reduces your ability to taste sweet and salty foods by almost 1/3. It's not the food, it's the environment. Fact 11. Sneezing while driving blinds you for 50 feet. At highway speed, a single sneeze means your eyes are closed for about 50 feet of travel. In the US, millions of accidents have been tied to sneezing. Drive safe and keep tissues handy. Fact 12. You've definitely eaten bug secretions. Many candies use something called confectioner's glaze, which is just a nice way of saying shellac, a coating made from insect secretions. Jelly beans will never be the same again. Fact 13. Woolly mammoths were alive during the pyramids. While Egyptians built the Great Pyramid, mammoths still roamed a remote island in Siberia. They survived until just 4,000 years ago. Fact 14. Laughter is a defense mechanism. When you're tickled, your brain interprets it as a threat. Laughter is your body's way of signaling surrender, a leftover survival reflex. Fact 15. Your body literally glows. Humans emit visible light, but it's 1,000 times too dim for our eyes to detect. Special cameras show that we glow brightest around 4 p.m. and least at 10 a.m. Fact 16. Right-handed tools accidentally kill left-handed people. More than 2,500 left-handed people die each year from using tools designed for right-handed users. The most dangerous? Power saws. Fact 17. Snails have thousands of teeth. Snails may look harmless, but they carry a microscopic saw-like tongue called a radula with thousands of tiny teeth. Adorable, but terrifying. Fact 18. Dogs evolved to manipulate us. That famous puppy eyes look is not accidental. Domesticated dogs evolved special facial muscles that wolves don't have, allowing them to appear sad, cute, and expressive. Basically, emotional blackmail in fur form. Fact 19. Bedbugs are older than dinosaurs. Bedbugs existed 115 million years ago, long before humans, long before beds, and even longer before your last terrible hotel experience. Fact 20. Humans are still evolving. A small bone in the knee called the fibula disappeared in most people, then suddenly came back. Today, nearly 40% of humans have it again. Evolution doesn't stop. Fact 21. You have enough iron for a 3-inch nail. Melt down all the iron in a human body, and you could forge a small nail. Multiply that across 250 grown men, and you could craft a medieval sword. Fact 22. Some jellyfish are functionally immortal. A species called Turritopsis dohrnii can revert to its younger form after injury or stress, meaning it can theoretically live forever. The Benjamin Button of the ocean. Fact 23. A car that runs on cheese and wine. A classic Aston Martin was modified to run on biofuel made from, wait for it, leftover cheese and wine. Royal luxury meets recycling. Fact 24. 14 people literally hold keys to the internet. A real group of security experts hold physical keys that, when combined, control critical parts of the global internet security structure. It's not fiction. It's cybersecurity reality. Fact 25. Humans are just one of 8.7 million species. We often think the world revolves around us: skyscrapers, smartphones, rockets, AI. But out of 8.7 million species, we're just one. One tiny part of Earth's massive, complex web of life. Humbling, isn't it? Which fact blew your mind the most? Drop it in the comments. I read everyone. If you love learning new things, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new episode from Sure Knowledge TV. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.